Repurposing your Instagram content for other platforms. Hey there, everybody. Using Instagram as a platform to publish your content and grow your online presence will help you reach and engage an audience that you'll hardly find somewhere else. But you can take your reach further by repurposing your Instagram content on other channels. This strategy is called cross-promoting, and it allows you to leverage your existing Instagram content to engage users on other social media platforms and to create backlinks to your Instagram account on those platforms. In this lesson, we are going to show you the right way to repurpose Instagram content on top social media channels. On Facebook. All right, folks, let's start on Facebook. What we'll do on Facebook and on the rest of platforms we'll show is simply to take content from one of our Instagram posts, which includes the image, copy, and hashtags, so we can use it on a post that we'll create there. With that in mind, go to your Facebook account and enter the business page where you'll publish your post. Next, click on the Write a Post field. What you'll do here is to simply enter the text from your caption on the Instagram post. Now, one thing worth noting is that character limits don't work the same on other platforms as they do on Instagram. And while you compose long-form captions for Facebook posts, the idea is to create teaser-type posts to encourage people to click on your Instagram link to check the original post there. One trick that works great is to open this post with headline text. This is simply a title that you'll use to catch the attention of the user. In this example, we're going to open with a question related to the product that we are promoting on the Instagram post. Next, you are going to add your post caption. This can be a segment of your Instagram caption, a description of your Instagram post, or a shorter variation of the same caption. In this example, we are going to describe the content of the original Instagram post. After you enter your headline and text, add a call to action and a shortened link to the original Instagram post. As you can see here, Facebook will generate a cool-looking preview of your post by pulling your featured image or video into the post, as well as the name of your account and publication date. Lastly, add your hashtags at the end of the post, right below the call to action and URL. Then click on Post to finish. On Twitter. Twitter is a crazy engaging platform that can funnel lots of visits to your Instagram posts and profile. The structure of a Twitter post is going to be similar to what we created on Facebook. Start by going to your Twitter account. Then click on the Tweet button. Here you are going to apply the same strategy we applied on Facebook. You just have to be careful not to go over the character limit, which is 280 characters. This means that you have to compose a shorter caption this time, so you can leave space for your URL and hashtags. Okay, so let's start by composing the headline. Here you can use the exact same headline that you used on Facebook, as it is going to have the same effect. Now you are going to add the post text. You can use the same text that you use on Facebook as long as it is short form. Otherwise, you can simply add a call to action to encourage users to check the original post on Instagram. We'll do that in this example, so you can see how easy it is. Here we'll simply compose a call to action to invite users to find lots of answers to the question in our headline over at Instagram. Then we are going to add the shortened post URL. Now you have to add your hashtags. There are two smart ways to use hashtags on Twitter. First, you can use keywords in your copy as hashtags. Simply find a keyword that is relevant to the post. Then add a hash symbol right before it, like this. The second way is to add the hashtags at the end of your text, like this. Lastly, click on the gallery icon to upload the image or video that you used in your original Instagram post. Now that you've fully created your repurposed post, click on Tweet to publish it.